Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to insert sparklines in Excel, which are tiny, word-sized charts that live inside a single cell to show data trends at a glance. First, click on the empty cell right at the end of your data row where you want the tiny chart to appear. Go up to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. Look for the Sparklines group and select Line, or choose Column if you prefer microbar charts. A Create Sparklines dialog box will pop up asking for two things, a data range and a location range. Click into the data range box, then highlight the row of numbers you want to visualize. For example, cells B2 through M2 for a full year of monthly data. The location range box should already display the single cell you clicked on earlier. If it looks correct, click OK. Your microchart will instantly render inside the cell. To apply it to the rest of your table, just click the bottom right corner of that cell and drag the fill handle down to automatically generate sparklines for every other row. Forward-thinking tip. To make these tiny charts actually readable, you need to tweak two quick layout options that most people overlook. First, highlight your data table and slightly increase the row height. Giving the cells a bit more breathing room makes the line paths 100,000% easier to analyze. Under the Show group, check the boxes for high point and low point to automatically drop color-coded markers onto your absolute best and worst data points. And that's it. Your dashboard is now clean, visual, and highly compact. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.